Good morning, children. Now, today we are also going to continue the chapter digestion of food. As we know that the digestion of food is start in mouth, but the absorption is in the small intestine, and in large intestine absorption of water is. So, in further, the food from the food pipe, the food from the mouth, it enters into the esophagus or food pipe, and then food pipe open into the stomach. So stomach is a bag-like organ made up of muscles. The food is churned. That means it is shake. The food is churned into a soft pulp in the stomach. Molecules is churned in the stomach and form into the paste in the stomach, and then it get entered into the small intestine. So small intestine is a thin tube that is approximately 20 feet long. From the stomach, food is passed to the small intestine. Here the food is further digested and the nutrients are absorbed. That means nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. You see that this is the small intestine. Here it is the small intestine, and this is the wall of small intestine, that is the finger-like projections. This is the finger-like projections present in the wall of small intestine. These are the blood vessels, and this is called villi. The finger-like projection, it is called villi, are present in the wall of small intestines. So villi are present. Due to the presence of villi, the area of small intestine is larger, and the absorption of there in the small intestine due to the villi. So small intestine is a thin tube that is approximately 20 feet long from the stomach. So food is passed to the small intestine. Here the food is further digested and the nutrients are absorbed. Small intestine has millions of finger-like villi in its wall, which have blood vessels to absorb nutrients from the digested food. Now large intestine. So large intestine is a 5 feet long tube-like structure. The undigested food from the small intestine is passed to the large intestine. The large intestine then absorbs excess water from the undigested food and form feces. The feces are then expelled from the body through anus. So large intestine is smaller than the small intestine. It is only 5 feet long, tube-like structure. Digested food. That means the digestion of food, it is completed. Almost it is completed in the small intestine, and the undigested food get entered into the large intestine, and the large intestine then absorbs excess water present along with the undigested food. Excess waters, it absorbs the walls of the large intestine, absorbs excess of the undigested food and form waste, that is called feces. The feces are then expelled from the body through anus. So this is the structure of digestive system. So first is then esophagus, and there are some glands which secretes digestive enzymes, that is called liver and pancreas. So liver secretes bile that acts on the fats and it breaks down the fats, and pancreas only secretes the pancreatic juice and helps in the digestion of the food. So this pancreas and liver is the glands. It only secretes the digestive juice. And the digestive organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. And the digestive glands are pancreas and liver. So your digestive system has been finished. Thank you.